Okay. Good morning. Welcome back. It's a new week. Thank the Lord. Today, I'm going to be working on that piece that I found from Habitat for Humanity a few weeks ago that I'm going to put in my laundry. I'm going to restore it. I'm not going to paint it. And I'm going to tweak it just a little bit. So if you're interested in how I do that, stick around. Let's just jump right into it. Also this week, I need to work on a friend's console table. She lent on it and it broke, so we're gonna glue that and fix that. I also need to clean up just a little around my yard. I have a pile going that I need to take to the recycle center, and I need to add to that pile and get stuff out of here. I also need to get a few things listed on Facebook Marketplace that aren't furniture related. I just need to stop holding on to stuff and start moving it away from me. I need to get it gone. Otherwise, I just keep moving it around the garage. Do you guys do that too? You have something you're like, oh, I need to sell that or donate that or move that on, and instead of doing it, you just move it around from place to place until you finally get sick of it and you're like, get away from me. So anyway, I need to get behind you because that's where the piece is. The drawers are in rough shape. Well, the whole thing is in rough shape, to be honest. The wheels on it are brand new. They're not vintage or original to the piece, which is fine. They move nicely, and it's just going to be in my laundry anyway, so. All right, let me put it up on the table. Interesting. Okay. Sorry, got distracted by looking at the. Where are my earmuffs? Over there. Okay. All right. Honestly, I think the best course of action is to take it all apart. I'll probably regret saying that. Before I start taking it apart, I need to number these. This is the right side, left. I am not taking apart for taking apart's sake, so if it's that bit is glued in, pretty solid, it's not moving, not showing any signs of weakness, so I'm going to leave it. Right, but as for the rest of this, glue it back up. But before I even glue it back up, let's put this back together again. Okay. And now the back. Okay. All of that, I gotta glue it. Hope made cookies. It was so good. She's our resident cookie maker. I've drunk a lot of water, but sometimes you just need fizzy water. Okay. Everything will most definitely be dry. So the last thing I wanted to do today was put it back together. I am also not looking for it to be perfect. I don't need it to be perfect. It's just for me. And I like the aged bumps and the lumps. Gives it character. I don't want a perfect looking piece of furniture. This is the top one. This is the middle. And this one we're going to adjust. It was about here and we're going to make it go all the way because I want this to be a shelf now instead of a drawer. Right, we're going to also glue in, but first let's make sure that it all fits. Well, of course it's going to all fit, because it's going to be a bear to get in there. I don't want to fiddle around with it. Okay. Okay, and before I glue that in, I gotta measure this. I think what I'm gonna do is trim it up, put pocket holes, because I don't have a tool to be able to cut a groove. Yeah, that's the best thing. Right, earmuffs. Should have done this earlier, but I want these off. Of course I do. Put it up. Need to put this back across. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? Okay. That's not it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Didn't come with all of the backing, but it came with 2 more pieces. It will be enough, but we'll have to like Tetris it a little bit. So by Tetris it, I mean like this. I have 2 more clamps that are big enough, I think. Oh no. Maybe I don't. Yes, I do. It is nice and cool this morning. I have some things to do outside that it's been too hot to do with all this heat wave happening. Okay, here we go again. Actually, I might whippersnipper it first, and if there is any snakes, hopefully they run away. Hang on. The rocks that are manageable. This was as you can see by the rows, it had three of the boxwoods, maybe two boxwoods, which I moved over there, and 2 rose bushes. One I moved around the corner, and this one I actually want to move them over, just over the other side of the driveway right there at the beginning of the garden that I envision over there. And I want to build an archway for it to climb, because it's a climbing rose. While it does look content here, it's not. I don't want it climbing up the house, and I want to turn this area into something else, which is another project. So first I need to clean up the rocks, then I need to build the archway, and then I can do the thing that I want here once I'm all sorted and tidied. Anyway, these rocks are not going to move themselves. I think that's enough for me. Done. Shoo. Right. Doesn't that look good? I love that part of my garden. I hate the weeds. Good news is that was the biggest rock. These other ones should be easy in comparison. Well, I'm happy with that. A little bit every day. So I've been watching these YouTube videos where people are doing tasks, right, that they have been putting off because it feels overwhelming. It feels like it's too big of a task, but they've been tackling a little bit every day to get it done. And that's what this task has felt like to me. Overwhelming. All right, so it's a beginning. At least all the rocks are gone, except for these guys, because there's a drain there and a perforated pipe, which is just perfect for a snake. They didn't put a top on it, previous owners, but anyway, I'm happy with that. I don't care about the overgrown grass. I actually want grass there, so it's helping me. But I just need to move that rock eventually, level it out a little bit and clear that rose bush out. But that's a task for another day. So hot. Okay, I need to go work on my laundry cabinet. I love that style of furniture that I'm working on. So the drawer is lined up. So I need to do a stopper at the back so that it doesn't push too far back. Okay, got my brad nailer. Sometimes when I get into the doing, I forget to talk. So everything I just did, I didn't tape. I didn't talk, I mean. Now I have it up on its head, upside down. It's upside down. So that's where I'm gonna attach it. But what I need to do is these guys are going to attach to the top, because when the drawer slides in and out, it needs something. So, bye, love you, have a good time. Rude children. Not really, they're the best. Okay, so if the drawer is here, sometimes when you're pulling the drawer out, it sort of tilts because there's a gap between the top of your drawer and the underside of your top. And if you feel that, because it's upside down, remember? So if I put this here, then it's going to keep the drawer from tilting down when I pull it out. That's all. It's just an extra precaution. I need to glue and nail that down. Okay, I have some antique wax, chalky finish, and I think I'm just going to use it directly on it over, I should probably test it. Oh yeah. I have been looking for a piece just like this for about a year. And when I saw this at Habitat, I was so excited because I knew exactly where it was going to go. Our back entrance is also our laundry and mud room, and it's so tiny, you guys. It's like a walk-in wardrobe. It's so tiny, and I needed it to function a little better, and I wanted something to store our laundry liquid and the dog's lead and all of her things that come with owning a dog and cats. The storage now for the laundry room is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. I loved making over this piece and restoring it. It looks so pretty now. It was in rough shape, but she had good bones and was just needing a little TLC. I got to turn it into something that I needed, which was shelf space as well as a drawer. And I didn't buy anything, you guys. I had the scrap wood, I had the antiquing wax, I had everything that I needed to be able to restore this piece. And she's gorgeous, gorgeous. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Next week's video, I was at a local thrift store and stumbled upon nightstands, which I'm super excited about. I haven't done nightstands in a really long time. So if you want to see how they turn out and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and you'll get notified when that video goes up. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. I love you to pieces. Have a beautiful week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Summertime. What is happening to my hair? Oh, every summer I'm like, why do I have long hair? I need to cut it all off. And then my husband is like, no, don't do that. I can't remember oh, that's right. Okay. Oh, seriously, what is wrong with my hair? Okay.